Hello student, Hemel sir is here. So today we are going to start the new chapter which is the space mission. And it is the very important chapter because in this chapter we will learn about how satellites are being launched in our different orbit of the earth. Okay. So let's start the chapter first. So in this chapter we are going to understand some important concept before going to start the chapter. Okay. And this is the basic difference between space and sky. So what is the basic difference between space and sky? Okay. So the sky is, suppose this is the earth surface. This is the earth surface, and in earth surface there are the small particles are present in air. Okay. All these small particles are very tiny. Okay. So when sunlight comes in our atmosphere, this tiny particle emits the blue color of light. That blue color of light make the sky visible. Okay, in a daytime when you will observe the sky, it appears blue. That blue appearing part of the space is called as sky. Okay, so this visible part of the space, visible part of the space due to scattering of light, scattering of sunlight. Scattering of sunlight in our atmosphere, in our atmosphere is called as sky. Okay, so sky is visible and it is visible due to the scattering of light, or we can say the scattering of sunlight due to the tiny particles present in our atmosphere. That visible part of the space is called as sky. Okay, so we have to write the definition also. So what is sky? Sky is the visible part of our atmosphere, of our earth atmosphere due to scattering of light, scattering of sunlight, scattering of sunlight by tiny particles present in because tiny particle present in Earth's atmosphere. And we know tiny particles scatter the blue color of light. That's why the sky appears blue in color. And tiny particles emits or scatter blue color of light, hence sky looks or appears blue. Okay, so in our atmosphere the blue part of the space is nothing but the sky. Okay, now we have to understand what is space. So what is space? See, during night time there is no sunlight is present. So due to absence of sunlight, the blue color light which is emitted by the tiny particles which is not possible. So in night time we can observe the different parts of the space. They are nothing but the twinkling stars. That twinkling stars including our sky is nothing but the space. Okay, so space is the beyond of the sky. Okay, so we have to write about space. So space is the part of universe beyond the sky is called as space. It's called as space. So space includes everything, all the twinkling stars, even our atmosphere. Okay, it comes under the space. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the space and sky. Okay, now next question we have to understand. So what are the different objects in our solar system? So in our solar system there are different types of objects are present. Like first, star. Star is nothing but our sun. So what are star? Star emits their own light. So the celestial body which emits their own light are called as star. So celestial body or heavenly body which emits their own light are called as star. So sun is also the star. Like example, sun. So sun is star of our solar system. Next, we have planets. So what are planets? Planets are the celestial body which revolve around the sun. So planets are celestial body which revolve around the sun. Okay, celestial body which revolve around the sun are called as planet. So we have 8 planets in our solar system. First we have Mercury. See, this is the sun. So first planet is Mercury. Then second planet is Venus. Third planet is our Earth. Fourth planet is Mars. Fifth planet is Jupiter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. The sixth planet is Saturn. Seventh planet is Uranus. And eighth planet is Neptune. Okay, so these are nothing but the elliptical path where the planet revolve around the sun. Okay, so these are the 8 different planets we have in our solar system. Okay. Next, so example you can write from here. It is the sun. Sun is a star, and these are 8 planets which revolve around the sun. Then we have satellite. Okay, so here we have satellite. So what are satellite? Satellite which revolve around the planet. The celestial body which revolve around the planet are called as satellite. So satellites may be natural or artificial. So there are 2 types: natural satellite and artificial or man-made. Artificial satellite. Okay, then last question: how many natural satellite does the earth have? So earth have only one satellite, which is the natural, and which is the moon. So the answer will be earth have only one natural satellite. Natural satellite Earth, and which is moon. Okay, so moon is the natural satellite of Earth and which revolve around the Earth. Okay, so here the moon is present and moon is the natural satellite. So they are the planet. It is first, second, third, fourth, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and eighth is Neptune. Okay, so Pluto was also in a list of planet in few years back, but it do not follow the rule of the Kepler. That means it do not revolve around the sun in a fixed orbit in a fixed interval of time. That's why Pluto is omitted from the list of the planet. Okay, so these are nothing but the basics that you had to know about this chapter. Okay, so write it down. So this is the sky visible, and this is space. Okay, so it is the another part we have just written to understand. Okay, so students, today we are completing our today's session here only. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.